How to fix lag and stuttering in Roblox Mobile, boost FPS. Now this depends upon whether the lag is causing due to your device performance or due to your internet connection. If it's your internet, make sure you're not using any VPN or any of the other third-party VPN apps, and make sure you're using your Wi-Fi and make sure it is a strong internet connection, because sometimes that could be the case while you're having those lagging issues. Second, if it is the performance issue, then there are a couple of steps we can take. Make sure that your device have plenty of storage left so that you don't run out of storage, which is going to cause lags on your phone. You also want to make sure you set your phone to performance mode. Now some of the phone actually has game mode or performance mode, something like that. So depending upon whichever phone you're using, you might have to tamper with those settings manually. So in the case of Samsung Galaxy device, I can go to device care and I can go ahead and set my phone to optimum processing speed to maximum, and that way I will not face any lags on the games that I'm playing. You can also try to increase your memory if your phone offers memory extension or RAM plus, something like that kind of feature. You can try to clear out all of those, and next time when you open up Roblox, hopefully that might help you solve the lagging issue. I hope the video helps you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.